In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-approve membership requests in Skool. This feature is a fantastic time saver for community managers looking to streamline their workflow and ensure that new members can join without unnecessary delays. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process and get you set up in no time. First, you'll want to start by opening up your preferred web browser and navigating over to Skool. To do this, perform a quick Google search for Skool and then click on the first result that appears. Once you're on the Skool homepage, you'll need to log in using your existing account credentials. Remember, it's always a good idea to use a secure password and keep your login information private to protect your account. After logging in, turn your attention to the upper left of your screen where you'll see a small set of arrows. Clicking these will reveal a menu with different options. From this menu, select the community you would like to manage. This step is crucial as settings can vary between communities, so be sure you're working within the right one. With your community selected, it's time to access the settings. Look for the Settings tab on your screen and click it. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your community's configuration. Scroll down a bit to find the Plugins section. This is where the magic happens. Once there, click on Plugins to reveal more options. Within the Plugins menu, you'll see an option labeled Instant Approval. Go ahead and click that. It's important to note that by enabling instant approval, you're allowing new members to join your community automatically, without needing to manually approve each request. This feature can especially be beneficial for larger communities or for those who experience a high volume of requests. As you proceed, you'll find another option for instant membership approval. Click this to activate the feature. Once you've done that, your settings should be in place, significantly reducing the time spent on admin tasks and making the joining process seamless for new members. Finally, you'll want to confirm your changes to ensure everything has been set up correctly. Look for the Done or Save button. Clicking it will finalize your configurations and apply the instant approval feature to your community. Remember, changes made within the settings should be carefully considered to maintain the integrity and security of your community space. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully enabled auto-approval for membership requests in Skool. This handy feature will allow new members to be welcomed instantly, promoting a more dynamic and engaging community environment. Thanks for following along, and be sure to like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.